Hi guys, welcome back to another episode of Cooking with this guy. That's me. Today we are making something quite special. As all my videos are quite special. We are making short beef rib meat buns. Say that fast 3 times. We're going to break it down into 2 videos. So the first video is the short ribs, the beef short ribs that we're going to do today and show you how to cook them. And then tomorrow will be the dough. So we'll make the dough for the buns. We'll stick the meat into the buns. We'll cook the buns and then we'll eat the buns. The beef, front and center. So all the sides of the beef have been seared off, and we have a lovely and gorgeous kind of colour on the actual beef ribs here now. Next step, pour in a whole bottle of red wine, which I've done already, and literally just let it come up to boil. So it's going to boil again. We're going to let it reduce by half, and then we're going to put in some beef stock, and then it's into the oven. Okay, so we've got our beef all wrapped up and ready to go. So again, oven 160 Celsius for about, I'm gonna say about two and a half hours or so. I'll check it every hour, I'd say, just to make sure there's enough juice, enough kind of liquid in it. I don't want it to dry out at all. But it's as simple as that, guys. Let's do that with it. Falling apart. Oh, see that? Right, so here we are at the end of another video, or the end of the first part of this video. Just look at them, 2.5 hours, guys. That's all you needed. And look, they're falling apart. They're gonna be so good. So the plan now is to shred these. And put the sauce back on them so they stay nice and moist for tomorrow. Tomorrow then we're going to be making the dough for the buns to put the beef short rib into, and then we're going to cook them. It sounds amazing. I'm really looking forward to it, actually. But again, look, just to recap what we've done today, and all we've done really is we seasoned the beef short ribs, we put them in the pan, we seared them off, we then put in a whole bottle of wine, and then let that simmer down by half, add a bit more stock in, again let it simmer, and then bring it, put it in the oven, 160 Celsius for, I said 2 hours earlier on, I put it in for 2.5, because each time you do this it'll be different. So in and around the 2 to 3 hour mark is where you're looking for. Guys, I really hope you liked the video so far. If you liked the video, give me a thumbs up. I would love a subscriber or two. I'm sitting here and I'm looking at the beef, and guys. I can't stop the video without actually trying some, can I? Okay. That's something else. Oh my God. The flavor coming through there is amazing. So good. Guys, talk to you tomorrow with the second half of the video.